welcome back everyone. It's me, Donkey, back with another one. So I hope that you guys are doing well. I hope that you guys are staying safe. So today it's supposed to have like some sort of a storm or something coming in, and I just personally don't want to have to go out in the storm, so I'm going out now because I'm gonna go get my dog some treats from one of the local businesses. So figured I'd get out before the storm comes in. So also too is coming up here in a little bit, I'm gonna get a video too where it's gonna be me, my pop, and my dad all going out on a ride. My brother just bought a new bike, so he was wanting to go out and get a ride with everyone with his new bike. So I was like, heck yeah, I'm game. And my dad ain't rode in like a long time, been like almost a year. So I'm sure he'd like to go too. But it'll be sweet. All of us have different like style of bikes. I got a street bike or a sport bike, whatever you want to call it, super sport bike. I don't know, whatever you want to call it. I call it a street bike. And then my brother, he just bought a, I think it's a 2021, could be a 2020, but Indian Scout, and it's a nice bike, man. It's a real nice bike. And then my pop, he's got an old Goldwing. Things are like a car. So yeah, that'll be cool. I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna get a video of that. Cause like I've gone out and rode with my dad before, but I haven't ever gone out and rode with my brother, or like all three of us together too. So that'd be pretty rad. My brother, he had the bike that I learned how to ride on for, oh shoot, it's been a while. He's had it for a long time, and that was a little Suzuki 250. So he took a great big old step getting that freaking Indian. I think that's like 1100 cc. That's a big bike, man. Well, decent size. It's a cruiser, so still kind of slow. I mean, you know, it's a nice looking bike. I'm sure it's probably pretty comfortable to ride. But everybody always told me, they're like, man, the R6 is the most uncomfortable street bike to ride, because of the aggressive seating position. Now your boy's 6 foot, so he's like, you know, let's say like average height, and I don't have a problem riding the R6. But also my arms are like extra long, so I can essentially sit like all the way straight up, and I still have a bent arm holding the handlebars. So, you know, take that for what it's worth. You just find how to ride. You just learn how to ride it more comfortably, you know. Sure that pet food store is like right up here. I've never been to it before. There's like a couple that are closer to my house, but I'm pretty sure I know somebody that works at this one, and I just found out about it like a day or two ago. Hasn't been that long. I'm going to the next entrance. Pretty sure Boofy's right there, bro. Pet store. I found it. I found it. Boom. All right, y'all. Let's go get these her treats. Make treaters and oh, temporary store. Okay, cool. Oh my God, there's a little wiener dog. Yo, they had all kinds of stuff. See, my dog has murked these things. Yo, that's actually mad cool. Tequila worm. I might get that. No, not really, man. I just came to kind of like grab some random stuff for the dogs, and I wanted to support local.
If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask.
Yeah, I appreciate that, man.
Good toys.
Yeah, probably. I need something that's so I got a Great Dane,
Okay.
and then I got a Pit Bull.
Okay.
And so I need stuff that's like got some backbone to it.
So, one that, as odd as it is, people don't think it's as tough as it is, but I have a 115-pound German Shepherd and two 75-pound boxer mixes.
Okay.
They've had this toy for about a year and a half. It's still in one piece, and they love it.
Oh, red.
This guy here, they play tug of war with it.
Okay.
What it is it's actually lined with a fire hose.
Oh, okay.
So it's super tough, and it has the squeakers in it. The only thing they've done in a year and a half is pull this edge off and get some of the fur off of it, because there's a material on top that has the fur on it, and under it is the fire hose.
Oh, okay.
So these guys, I always recommend thinking that from their line here, all of these guys are going to be like that.
Okay.
Knowing pits and how they'll find these little things, and this is where they're tethered off.
Yeah.
If you wanted to go with something that has the leg.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Thank you too. Oh, those are dope. Oh, there's that little dog. Well, alrighty everyone, I think that's gonna do it for today. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed, and then I hope that you guys are doing well, staying positive out there. Do me a favor, smash that like button, Holmes. Yeah, and be a homie. And if you're not already subscribed, subscribe to your boy. And then be like, yo, Holmes, I subscribe. But yeah, so if you could like, comment, subscribe, and share my videos. Tell your friends about my videos. Tell your mom's friends, sisters, cousins, uncles, aunts, nephew, whose brother went to school with that one guy from junior high. Tell them about me. And Y'all have a awesome day. Donkey out.